In today's video, let us understand about the structure of the nephron. So already in the longitudinal section, I told that there will be 1.3 to 1.8 million nephrons per kidney, which are present in the inverted pyramid-like structures that will be found in the longitudinal section. So these nephrons, they are the structural and functional units, and you have to remember that the number of functional nephrons will decrease by 10% after every 10 years. Okay, when you attain the age of 40 years. Okay, so from 40 years of age, your functional nephrons will start decreasing 10% after every 10 years. Then let us see the structure of the nephron, how it looks like. Okay, in detail. So when we talk about the structure of the nephron, so nephron basically will have two important parts. One is called the Malpighian body, other one is called the renal tubule. The Malpighian body is also called the Malpighian capsule. So what is this Malpighian body made up of? It is made up of two important structures, the glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule. So what is this glomerulus? Glomerulus is a structure, as you can see, the red structure, okay, which is formed by the network of the afferent and efferent capillaries. Okay, the afferent and efferent blood vessels or the capillaries will form a network of blood vessels. Okay, and that is what is called glomerulus, which plays an important role in filtering blood free of the waste materials. So it plays a very important role in filtering the blood. Okay, then next you have is the next structure, which is called the Bowman's capsule. As you can see, the cup-shaped structure which is holding the glomerulus, that cup-shaped structure is called the Bowman's capsule. So the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together will be forming the Malpighian body, which is one of the important part of the nephron. Then you can see there is a tube that is extending all downwards, that is called the renal tubule. In blue color I have drawn, which is a renal tubule. So this renal tubule plays an important role in formation of the urine. And we have, okay, as you can see, okay, in red color I have drawn some structures on the top. Okay, that is called the peritubular capillary network. Peritubular capillary network, which is formed by the efferent arteriole that is coming out, okay, from the glomerulus. Okay, then we have the structures called the PCT and DCT. PCT stands for the primary convolution. Primary convoluted tubule it is called. The primary convolution is nothing but the first bend, the blue bend you can see, the first bend, okay, in the nephron is called the PCT portion. The second bend portion is called the DCT or the distal convoluted tubule. So, okay, the renal tubule will have the PCT, DCT, and this structure, the long U-shaped structure that you are able to see in blue color, that is the loop of Henle. It is called the loop of Henle. This is the descending loop, okay, this is the ascending loop of Henle, which plays an important role again in the formation of urine. And finally we have what is called the collecting tubule, where the urine that is formed by the nephrons will be collected, and all the collecting tubules of all the nephrons will be opening into pelvis, from where they will be entering into the ureter, as you remember. So all the nephrons will release the urine, and that will be collected into, this is called the pelvis region, from where they enter into the ureter. So all the details about how the urine is getting formed and how it is getting transferred to the bladder and all other details will be explained in the next video. So do get tuned to my videos in the YouTube, okay, and do watch the next video.